Tawaf, best thing is that this is the way Sahaba have done it and our Salaf have done it, following the Prophet, that wherever you stop, you lose the wudu, you restart from that circuit. Let's say you were in the third circuit, make the wudu again, especially if it's Umrah Tawaf or Hajj Tawaf, then continue from the third again. It's better, safer to do the third again, because you're still gonna go anyway in that spot. So make the niyyah that you're gonna restart that rak'ah or that circuit. Okay, and if it's non-Umrah, non-Hajj Tawaf, just a volunteer Tawaf, I agree with that fatwa that you can do it, but make sure when you do Salah, you still should go in the sahan, in the back areas. There is water there, you can do the wudu and pray. Inshallah.